Hi everyone and welcome back to Simply Dovey. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an adorable 4th of July tutu skirt. I made one for this 4-year-old Nyla and she looks totally adorable in it and she really loved her tutu skirt. And if you want to see how to make it, then continue watching. So for this tutu, I am using some matte tulle in the colors blue, white, and red. And I'm going to be using 25 yard by 6 inch wide spools that I got from Hobby Lobby. For the size tutu that I'm making is for a 4-year-old, and I will be using about a spool and a half of each color. I'm going to be using a 1/2 inch in width elastic. For my tutu that I'm making, it's going to be 11 inches in length. So I have a piece of cardboard here in the size of 11 1/4, and the 1/4 inch is just so I can tidy it up at the end. And I am using the cardboard so I can wrap my tulle around the cardboard, and it's easier this way because all of my tulle will be the same length. So here I am, I'm going to wrap my tulle around my cardboard and then I'm going to cut it. I'm going to be doing these in batches, so I'm not trying to wrap my whole entire spool of tulle around on one time. So once I wrap my tulle around as many times as I want, I'm going to go ahead and stop on the end that I started on. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut that tulle, and then I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to go in between the cardboard and my tulle on that end only and cut that as well. The amount of strips that you need to cut out will be determined by the waist size that you are making of the tutu and also how fluffy you want your tutu to be. I will be using 3 strips per knot on my tutu, and that's just about how fluffy I'm going to want mine, and I am using about a spool and a half of each color. Now here I am cutting out my red, and I'm also going to be doing the same with my white. Okay, so now I am moving along to the elastic. I've lost part of my clip where it shows me measuring it out. However, what you want to do is you want to get the measurements of the waist size of the tutu that you are making. Now for this one, the waist size of the 4-year-old is 18.5 inches. So that is going to be the size of my elastic that I sewed together. And I am going to be overlapping my elastic by about 1 inch. I am going to be sewing this together using a needle and thread, and I am going into a square around the elastic, and then I'm going to do a little cross through those just for stability, for strength. However, you can use a sewing machine for this, which it will be a lot easier for a sewing machine, but I just would figure I will show you how to use a needle and thread. It's very easy to sew that way as well. To make it easier to attach my tulle strips to my elastic, I am using this Tupperware container. It's actually my cat food container, but it's the perfect size. You can use any container that fits your size of elastic, so it could be a vinegar container like in my previous video. If you need it to be like a bucket, that is fine. Use whichever. It's just a lot easier to wrap it around something as I'm putting my tulle strips on. So here I am. I'm going to be taking 3 strips of the same color. This is going to be the pattern that I'm using, and I'm making sure that they are all lined up exactly in lengthwise. Then I'm going to take my tulle and go ahead and fold it in half and make sure that it is even on both sides. And then I'm going to take that those tulle strips and I'm going to put it behind the elastic and make a loop at the top. I'm going to take my tulle end strips and I'm going to gather them together, bring them up behind that loop and bring them through the loop and then make a knot. And don't make it super tight where it's going to make your elastic bunch all up and twist, but make sure that it is on there firmly. And that is exactly what I'm going to do with all the other tulle strips. And here I am putting on red, and I'm going to be doing blue, red, and white. And that is how I'm going to do it I'm going to fill up my entire elastic band with that pattern. So after you have all of your tulle strips on, if you have any that are hanging a bit longer, like super longer than the other ones, you can go ahead and take some scissors and trim them up. I think this one looks pretty good, so I'm not going to really trim anything. And this is what the waist will look like after you have all of your tulle strips on it. And you can go ahead and pair it with a 4th of July shirt, and it will be the perfect outfit for photos or even for 4th of July celebration. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. And be safe and take care. Until next time, bye.